So, on the metallic gold hubcap, the inside I painted like a shell, the conch inner shell pink. It's called champagne pink, but to be honest, I don't think I've ever seen any pink champagne in real life. And this is more the color of the inside of a conch shell to me. But who knows how it translates in this video. But I'm still working on my wheels, so it's going to be a complete installation. Looking forward to finishing that, and stay tuned for more 100 Mondays. I stole that from Francis.